Good morning, guys. Just went ahead, stopped at Sheets, picked up some coffee, and now we're actually heading 2 hours northeast to pick up my next big purchase, not just for my channel, but also for my farm. I'll see you guys there. All right, it's mid-morning, about 2 hours to get here. Thankfully, the weather held out, which worked out awesome. We're waiting for this guy to arrive. Wait till you see what we purchased. All right, we met at a Target parking lot, and check it out. Here are the goods. Let me get this opened up, or should I say the good. We picked up our first GeForce RTX 5090. Entirely skipped over the 4000 series. I do have those 830-90 single rigs, but it's really time to up the game for AI. Let me get this opened up. All right, here it is. Oh man, I'm excited. Dude, this is so heavy. The cardboard packaging for this is absolutely wild. But guys, take a look at that RTX 5090. This thing looks so slick. It is very surprising. It is massive, to be honest with you, but I love how clean this looks. You know, a lot slimmer than what I expected. A nice clean, this kind of flat black setup to it. And then over here, we do have multiple different of our graphical interfaces, but I'm excited. Let's head back to the house, and I want to show you all the other hardware we're going to be using for this 5090 AI rig. Huge shout out to today's video sponsor, CryptoMinerBros.com. If you guys are in the market for your next ASIC miner, take a look over at Crypto Miner Bros. Now, right now, they got some great deals going on their website. Some miners that I'm absolutely interested in, the BitAxe Gamma 601, the brand new Nerd Miner Octa Axe. They also have the upcoming Flu Miner L3 Dogecoin miner and the new Flu Miner T3 Home Bitcoin miner. Listen, at the time of checkout, use the checkout code TheHobbyistMiner. It'll save you $70 off each individual ASIC. Guys, go over, check out today's video sponsor, CryptoMinerBros.com. Link directly down below in the video description. All right, just got home. Let's take a closer look at the RTX 5090, as well as I want to talk about what my plans are to do with this, what I paid for it. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box. Once again, this is absolutely insane. This, like, I think there was the amount of money I paid for this, I think it was all for this crazy cardboard. So like the sides come off just like that. Really weird. Same thing with this side, comes off. And then you actually have to lift that up. I mean, it's fancy, don't get me wrong. And for the price you pay for it, like, it's totally badass. And let me throw this here. We'll get a little bit better of a view here. But yeah, so here is our 5090. We are going to be using this for AI, AI or GPU rig rentals is what I'm going to be using this for. This is one of the most high in-demand cards out there, and I'm excited to be kind of stepping up to this level at this point here. So this card, as we showed earlier, is absolutely amazing. I mean, it is the craziest GPU that I've ever gotten my hands on, and I'm super hyped for it. So I know exactly where people's thoughts are, is like, hey, you know, is now the best time to get into AI? And I've kind of gotten those same questions when we talk about crypto mining, right? When it's like, when's the best time? When should I get into crypto mining? And it's like, well, you should have gotten into it yesterday and the day before and the month before that and the year before that. So I'm hoping I'm still at the front and believe at the front end of AI rig rentals. I know things are constantly advancing and changing in supply and demand, but I'm kind of taking that leap, and it's absolutely a gamble. All right, let me show you. Oh, actually, what did I pay for this? Because I think that's important for transparency. So I was looking at 4090s locally, and I did find a 4090 originally for $22.50. And there's no point looking on eBay. You can't find 4090s new anywhere anymore. And I found one for $22.50, but then I found this one, and the guy was asking for $2,700. And I was able to get them down to $2,600 if I drove the 2 hours there and the 2 hours back. So I did end up buying this for $2,600 cash. All right, so what are my plans? Well, this is the other hardware that you may have seen on the channel before I've talked about, and I've been waiting to get a high-end graphics card to pair with this. So this is a super micro motherboard. It does have an EPIC CPU on it, as well as 256 gigabytes of memory. Now I did pick up the additional memory. I did have 128, I upgraded to 256. I picked it up months ago before the whole kind of memory bubble and surge that we're in right now. And it does have 5 X16 slots, and it does have a 4 terabyte Samsung NVMe. Now, it does have 5 of the X16 slots. We're only going to utilize 1 for this 5090, but we're not going to be slotting it into here. We're actually going to be using these cables, which I picked up from overseas from CPAIN company. I believe it's like UK or Germany. And what will happen is a lot of you guys, GPU miners, are familiar with something similar to this. This is kind of reminds me of those risers back in the day for our GPU rigs. And this will actually slot right into our X16 slot here. And then in the BIOS, we actually are going to tell this slot to go from X16 to 2 X8 slots with this bifurcation card. And then we're going to go from here with this SAS cable, high-end SAS cable. It's going to plug in to here, and another one's going to plug into here. And then one of them is going to rise up into a riser, very similar to what we're used to at GPU mining, connects via the SAS cable. We have to power it via 6-pin, and then this is going to be full X8, and it's going to sit up on a riser. I'm actually going to be using this massive Omega frame here from GPU Risers, the biggest frame out there. It actually supports 4 power supplies, and I'm going to be running 3 of the 1300 watt platinums, and then this 1000 watt EVGA is just going to be dedicated for the motherboard and any straggler power that we may actually need. So I got this whole box here of all these different custom cables from CPAIN. These were insane to get. Had to deal with customs. It was an absolute mess. But I've kind of been piecing this together piece by piece over the last 6 months or so. I finally have everything, and the RTX 5090 was the last piece of the puzzle. Now, I only have 1 GPU for now. So my goal is going to be every few months to go ahead and buy another GPU. I mean, they're massively expensive, but also hard to come by, and slowly grow out this rig. But the nice thing is I'm going to be putting this on Vast, and I'll be able to grow GPU by GPU without having to redo anything crazy. So I'm super excited to finally be able to get into building this. I'm going to have a future video coming up here very, very soon going over this build from start to finish, and I'm super hyped about it. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today on my little adventure to go ahead and pick up a brand new RTX 5090. Let me know your thoughts on the build, on the hardware, on the price. Am I crazy? Is Vast the avenue for me? Is there another platform that you would highly recommend that I test out? Please leave your comments directly down below and your feedback. AI is something that I'm diversifying into. I'm big crypto mining, as you guys know, with ASIC mining. I'm big into DEPIN on this channel, and AI rig rentals is something that I want to continue to diversify into going into 2026. And I get it. Demand comes and goes, but I don't want to be searching for hardware when demand is surging for AI rig rentals. I want to have the rig online, ready to go, verified, high reliability, and ready to earn day 1, hour 1, not coming into things late. All right, guys, that's going to wrap things up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you guys next time.